Today, in this video, I would like to share information about the upcoming launch of standalone mansions. These villas will be located in what is currently the most lushly landscaped new community, which is still under construction and situated in the Barari area. Barari is considered one of the greenest districts in Dubai. This option is ideal for those who are considering a property for personal residence, whether it be a villa or a townhouse with 3 bedrooms or more. Before we begin, I would like to highlight that the developer has an outstanding reputation. They based in Abu Dhabi and are recognized as the #1 developer there, having successfully delivered numerous projects and currently continuing to develop new ones. In the neighboring Emirate of Dubai, the district itself spans several dozen hectares of land, and in terms of location, it is just a 20-minute drive from downtown and about 25 minutes from Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah. Nearby, you will find the theme parks, the Flower Park, Miracle Garden, Global Village, and many other popular tourist destinations. Overall, according to the development plan, this area will continue to grow with many other districts and infrastructure being built, which will also provide a certain boost to the value appreciation of residential properties in the future. Now, I will show you several photos to illustrate what the community will look like. Here we have a pool and a clubhouse, which will be located at the very center of the development. The community consists of villas, and the nearby villas you see here are standalone properties, which will be the main focus of our discussion today. This is what the walking area will look like, featuring an abundance of flora and fauna. Various species of birds will be introduced specifically as they will be brought into this infrastructure. And in fact, the entire ecosystem of the complex will be developed accordingly. This is how the standalone villas will be situated near the central part of the park. The standalone townhouses phase 1 has already been successfully sold out, literally within a few hours. Here we will have a dedicated exhibition center, a clubhouse, and a variety of activities, sports facilities, a school and kindergartens. It will be a kind of green township with a fully self-sufficient infrastructure. Regarding the infrastructure I mentioned earlier, you can refer to the list, the concise list presented for this community: paddle courts, basketball courts, tennis courts, a yoga studio, a wellness club, a sanctuary Spain, specially designed gardens, and a rich variety of lush greenery plants and trees. This will be a kind of oasis in, let's say, as we often put it, an oasis in the desert. And I am more than 100% confident that this project will be successfully delivered by this developer. Here, in this photo, you can see an image of one of the standalone villas. This particular villa features 5 bedrooms. A bit later, we will review the floor plan of the villa. It consists of 3 floors: the first floor, the ground floor, the second floor, and the third floor on the rooftop, which typically features 1 bedroom, a small gym, and a spacious terrace. An additional service that will be provided by the developer within the community is that it will be a pet-friendly community. There will also be dedicated services for pets, housekeeping, 247 security, wellness, and other supplementary services. The community itself aligns with the segment of sustainable energy and green energy, with more information presented on the next slide. In other words, private cars will not be allowed for movement within the community. Instead, dedicated vehicles will be provided for internal transportation. There will be natural lighting, a water purification system, fully integrated water communications, air conditioning, and much more are in accordance with the 2040 development plan of Sheikh Mohammed. The overall strategy for developing new districts involves the adoption of advanced green energy technologies. Here we have the details indicated, and here are the photos. These are 6-bedroom villas featuring a backyard with a large swimming pool and a relaxation area. This is how the park area looks on of the community's park zones. The main entrance of the 6-bedroom villa. Designer villa is showcased here. There are also several photos from the rear side. Here we have images of the living room and the dining area. The developer offers finishing options in both dark and light tones: master bedroom, bedrooms, bathroom, walk-in closet, parking, and the gym. And as I mentioned earlier, there are 2 finishing options to choose from: dark tones and light tones. Let's move on to the floor plans. Here we have the floor plan for the 6-bedroom villa, first typology. And the second typology is a 6-bedroom villa with a lightened facade. This means there is a basement level, an underground floor. Here we have a spacious parking area for an average of 4 cars. The entrance area in particular includes designated accommodation for staff. There are also 2 options available for the basement level. The second option refers to the ground floor. On the left side, the floor plan is provided with the swimming pool already included in the price, as well as the living room, kitchen area, and bedroom. Here we have the main area with the 1 bedroom on the right side. The first floor here corresponds to what we typically consider the second floor. The main number of bedrooms is located here, 5 in total, 4 bedrooms on the left side, and a master bedroom with a walk-in closet and an en-suite bathroom. Then there is a third upper floor, which features a gym. This space can be further customized as needed. And there is a large terrace. This area can also be repurposed as a home office. Now, regarding pricing information, payment details, and payment schedule, there are a total of 16 units. These are 5-bedroom villas. Additionally, there are 22 units of 6-bedroom villas, which are standalone units, and 28 mansion units. Regarding the payment schedule, the developer offers a flexible payment plan of 65% to 35%. You pay 65% during the construction period, starting with the 10% initial payment plus 4% for registration with the land department, and the remaining 35%. The final 35% is paid upon handover of the keys. The estimated handover is scheduled for the second or third quarter of 2029. Starting prices begin at 39 million dirhams. This is approximately 11 million US dollars for a 5-bedroom villa, and 51 million dirhams. The starting price for a 6-bedroom villa is approximately 14.5 to 15 million US dollars. This is a truly unique offer for those considering relocation and who prefer to live in comfortable surroundings. Close to natural true integration with the natural environment, which in these locations is extremely limited. There are green communities, but they're not as largely landscaped. They're simply planned to be green. This project stands out for its high-quality finishes and developers a strong reputation for timely delivery, with many completed projects already. Therefore, if you are interested, please feel free to send us your inquiry by following the link below this video. I will be happy to get in touch with you, provide a consultation, and answer any additional questions you may have.